anywhere that she asks me to go in the world, I will be there, because Janice is not in this as much as this is all about our money, our power. She's actually not really in this for the money. She's in this for what money can do for us. And Janice is one of those people that you want in your corner, because whenever she levels up, she's bringing everyone with her.
I'm so grateful for Janice for planning this whole event. I've been waiting years for something like this, and I knew that if anybody was going to put it together, it was going to be Janice.
Janice, thank you for bringing all of us together. I mean, the fact that we're literally talking about money as Latinas, when we know right now in terms of just having equity and the equal pay gap, I mean, it's just wild. I think right now Latinas are making 52 cents to every white man's dollar. So the fact that she has created this space is already a revolutionary act. So I am just, thank you, Janice, for creating this space.
Janice has impacted me. She helped me realize my potential. When I was sitting in a cubicle at Amazon, I was listening to her podcast and realized that I can create the life that I've always wanted.
Janice, I want to thank you for creating this platform and not being afraid to talk about the hard issues. We talk about things that are taboo, we talk about things that are going on in society, we talk about things that are affecting Latino communities, which a lot of other people that have been around for a lot longer do not do. You're not afraid to get the smoke, you're not afraid to give the smoke, and for that, we salute you, we honor you, and thank you.
Hi, Janice. Janice, you are like, I just want you to know that you are so incredible, and sometimes when we are doing the things, we aren't aware of how much impact you can create in the world, but your voice goes so far. You deliver incredibly complex concepts in such a digestible way, and I love your commitment to women and equity, and I want you to keep going always, and always be a lot like unapologetically loud, unapologetically you, because your community supports you and loves you and wants to see you win.